This is simple data table. You can convert this data in an Excel table. After converting data in an Excel table, it is easiest to analyze data. In each column of header, filter button is appeared. The columns and rows in a table is formatted with table style. You can add or delete data easily in an Excel table. To create an Excel table, first select the range. Active this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Click Insert tab. In Tables group, click Table button. The Create Table dialog box opens. If your table has already header, then check the box. Click OK. You can see your selected simple data table is converted to an Excel table. Filter button is appeared in header. Active any cell in table. You can see Design tab is automatically activated. In Table Styles group, you have many styles. Click this button. You can format table in Table Styles group. I select this table. If you want to bold last column content, check this box. Now you can see last column contents are bold. If you want to show only one month sale in record, click Month Filter button. Uncheck Select All. I select this month. Click OK. You have sale record in month August. In this way, you can create an Excel table in a worksheet.